NSquare is a state-certified general contractor in the state of Florida. We've been in business since 1990, and we specialize in foundation repair using helical piers and push piers as a way to stabilize the perimeter of foundations. And we're also able to stabilize the interior of structures that have crawl spaces with our Smart Jack product. NSquare is unique in that we're able to take a individual crawl space, come in, stabilize that crawl space, repair the wood joist, and put the home back to a new state where the floors no longer bounce, there's no longer slanted floors, and allow the homeowner to live in their valuable property without any issues. We're also a member of the Foundation Support Works dealer network, where that's over 100 foundation specialists like ourselves, that we have this great group of people we can learn from and bounce ideas off of as to making repairs and the techniques that we may not all see in every day. So while we're a smaller company, we have a large nation of people behind us to address residential issues.